Tennessee, and we have been on our property out here for 6 months now, and as you can see, we are actually in our living room at the moment, and we just want to do a quick update for you. So with this update, we'll kind of tell you where we're at, but we kind of want to answer a lot of questions that we get. We get questions online, but also just from people that we meet when they find out we're building a house. There's always a lot of repeated questions that we get. So we want to try to answer some of those for you today.
So one of the questions we get is why we moved out here. Lena, why did we move out here?
Yeah, why Tennessee? Why in a camper in the middle of the woods? So we had been living in the suburbs of Texas for about 8 years, pretty much as long as we'd been married. We had 3 little girls, no dogs at that time, 0 dogs, just fish. But we were really just looking for a change. We'd been open to moving, trying something different for a while, but just never was the right opportunity. And especially, I think, after COVID, we were just very restless and felt like it was our time to move and do something different. And the opportunity came open for a job in Tennessee, and we were familiar with that area in East Tennessee. We loved it. So yeah, we're kind of in between Chattanooga and Knoxville, Tennessee, and we have loved the area. The idea of a house build wasn't really the initial concept, I don't think. We had several different ideas. That was definitely one of them. Ryan's been a builder. If you go way, way back on our YouTube channel, you'll see that we did lots of little projects around our house, remodeling and such. So it was something that he was interested in, building his own house. We actually almost bought a fixer-upper house, but the inspection just went really bad, and it was more than we wanted to invest in that much damage. So really last minute, we decided, yeah, let's do this. We bought a camper, we moved out here, we found this awesome piece of property, bought land, and decided we really wanted to self-build as much as possible. Before we moved, we had a great little house that we loved. It was 1,700 square feet, but the lot it was on was just under 7,000 square feet. And something that we knew that we wanted when we moved, wherever we moved, was we wanted more space. Whether that be a house with an acre yard and parks and things to do nearby outdoors, or land, what we ended up doing. We knew we wanted to get our kids outside more. We wanted them to just have more room to be kids. And in the process of us looking at houses and property, we made this decision to sell our home, to buy a camper, put some things in storage, but essentially move everything halfway across the country, and we ended up buying this beautiful 8.5 acre property to build on. So we're going into winter. This is November, and yes, it's been almost a year. By the time I get this up, it might have been a year. We moved out here the 1st of December. You did. It was right after Thanksgiving of 2020. And now we're going into close to December 2021. So in that year, it is amazing to look back and see how things have changed, how many different scenarios we've been through. There are always hard days. There's rainy days stuck in a camper. There's long, hot days working on your house. But this last year has been so rewarding, and we've made memories with our kids that will last a lifetime. Getting to the end of a long work day and seeing a beautiful sunset or enjoying a campfire with your kids, that is amazing and it's rewarding. And even though there are struggles at times, that makes it all worth it. So if you're thinking about doing something like this, you think, I want to move out in the country, I want to do this, do that, I want to build my own house, comment, message us. If there's any other questions that we missed, we're kind of just trying to think about what would we have asked this time last year? What did we not know? That can't be contained in one video. There's a lot we didn't know, and you're going to learn a lot yourself. But if you have questions, let us know. We're going to keep doing videos just to update and let you see all the mistakes that we're making and hopefully see some of our successes. But for now, hope you enjoy the fall color back there, because it's going to be gone soon. We're enjoying it while it lasts. Okay, till the next video. Bye.
See ya. babe.
All right, give me a second. Go change my shirt.